Muslina. Good morning to all. My name is Amnu Vasna. I am studying 5th standard. Today I speak about Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated in India on November 14 to honor Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and his love for children. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, who was fondly called Chacha Nehru by children. November 14 is his birth anniversary. He was passionate about children's education. He was passionate about children's education and welfare, and the day was chosen to legacy. The purpose of celebrating Children's Day is to remind everyone that children are the future of our nation. They need love, care, and education to grow into good citizens. Children's Day is day of happiness, but it also teaches us to protect and nurture every child. Thank you.